Hello, we're back on First Avenue today to take a look at another spot in the First Avenue condominiums. We're going to see the penthouse level today. Let me park my scooter and head inside. This loft-style condo building is quite rare in the city. It features concrete floors, an open floor plan, and exposed wood beam. This condo building also is in the heart of the city. The new Target is close by. There's riverfront trails to walk and bike. It's really a gem in the city. Welcome to the rooftop deck of the First Avenue condominiums. One of the great advantages of having the penthouse level, your unit's one floor below this wonderful space here in downtown Pittsburgh. Thanks for taking a tour of the penthouse here at the First Avenue condominiums. To schedule a tour or for more information, please contact Todd Kilgore at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty.